Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make onion bhaji, also known as Pyaaz ke pakode. At the end of this recipe, I'm also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started. For this we need 1 cup ground flour, a bunch of fresh chopped coriander, 3-4 chopped green chilies, 2-inch chopped ginger, 2 teaspoons salt or as per taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoon dried pomegranate seeds powder, and 3 sliced onions. In the recipe I'll show how to slice onions. Now for the recipe, put a wok half full of oil on medium flame. Next, to chop the onions, cut the front and back of the onion and divide it into 2 halves. Next, remove the onion peel and place the cut part on the chopping board. Next, slice the onion parallel to the crescent side of the onion. Please make sure that the onions are neither too thick nor too thin. The thickness should be something as shown. Next, separate the onion semi-rings and transfer them to a bowl. Repeat the same procedure for the remaining onions. Next, add dry spices to the onions and mix. At this point, add sieved gram flour in 3 batches, that is, add a portion and then mix, and then again add gram flour and mix. After that, add ginger, green chilies and coriander and mix. Once the oil is hot, take a spoonful of prepared batter and add it to the oil. Don't try to make proper shape of the batter, otherwise the desired texture won't be obtained. Add as many spoons of batter as possible to the wok. Let it cook on medium flame for 5 minutes undisturbed. Next, flip and cook for another 5 minutes or until golden brown. Once golden brown, remove it on a plate. You can hear the crispiness of the prepared bhajis. Your onion bhajis are ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, add 3 spoons of mint and coriander chutney on one side of the platter. The recipe for the mint and coriander chutney is in the description below. Next, add bhajis on top of the chutney. To this, sprinkle some chaat masala and chopped coriander on top of it. Place some fried green chilies over it. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, place a newspaper on a serving dish. Place a bowl of green chutney at the center of the bowl. Place the prepared pakoras surrounding the chutney. Next, sprinkle some chaat masala and chopped coriander on top of it. Place some fried green chilies over it. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, add a spoonful of green chutney on one side of the plate and hit it with the back of the spoon. Next, add bhajis on top of the chutney. To this, sprinkle some chaat masala and chopped coriander on top of it. Place some fried green chilies over it. Your plate 3 is ready to serve. Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.